we are looking at this particular topic here by the name criminal justice system. And because it is a system, so you must ask yourself, because it is a system, so meaning there are some elements which are interconnected, or they interdepend. So they depend on each other. So what are these elements? So let's first of all understand what is criminal justice system. So in our country, Kenya, so we maybe most of us have had this criminal justice system, particularly when these politicians are mentioning, oh, we will not use criminal justice system to manage politics. It is so. Criminal justice system, we can say that it is a network of institutions. So network of institutions. So network, meaning they interconnect. So also, what are these institutions? Network of institutions and the processes. So there must be processes, because there are institutions, so there must be a process that brings them together to work together, right? Established by the government to manage crime and enforce laws. So these are a network of institutions and processes established by the government to manage crime. These are crime. So to manage crime and what? Enforce laws. So it is a network. These are elements, okay, government institutions that are established to manage crime and enforce laws. So what are these elements? So we have three main elements here. Element number one is what we call law enforcement. So this is popularly known as police. Police here, only police power. So law, because of had that, these institutions, they manage crime and enforce laws. So institution number two, or element number two, you have the court system. Yeah. So this is the judiciary. Judiciary, court, and element number three, you have the correction facilities. Correctional facilities. Hii ni ile huwa tunasema ni facilities. Hii ni ile huwa tunasema ni haki, ni kurekebisha na haki. So these include what? The jails or the prison. Let's call them prison. Okay. So but you have a difference between jail and prison. Okay. So if we go deeper now, we start looking at each other, the function of law enforcement. So we can start here. Law enforcement. So hii kazi ya polisi nini hao? One. So kazi ya polisi ni one, when a crime occurs, you go to police, right? So unaenda kwa crime reporting. And because it is a process, it must start from here. So police hawezi anza they cannot apprehend or arrest any offender or perpetrator if there is no any report made by the public to them. Okay, crime reporting. So it is either the citizen or the victim. So this one basically means, so who report this one? It is the public, citizen, or the victim. Victim ni mwenye ameaffectiwa na hiyo particular crime. Okay. Number two, you have investigation. So after they receive this complaint from the public or from the victim, they start what? Investigation. Okay. Investigation. So that is direct. That is direct. So where they gather evidence. So if investigation means, so they gather evidence. okay, through interviews, okay, and so sasa hapa lazima wajiulize pia who are these suspects. Number 3, investigations. After investigations, sasa wamepata evidence through witness interview. Now they do what we call arrest. Yes, so lazima wajue who did what, who did that particular, who violated law, who did that crime. Specific, they must be specific. Si ati ni kwenda kufanya. Okay? Although sasa in our jurisdiction, some of these things are done kienyeji sana. So, but the police should be specific after they have done what? Investigation. So the arrest should be specific. Si ati nikubahatisha ati wanakamata huyu kuuzia uoga. It must be specific. The other thing, after the arrest, so wamemshikia na huko, so wanampeleka station. So hapa hivi wanaenda wapi? Booking, what we call OB, occurrence book. So wanambook kwa police station, particular police station. So, and that should be within the jurisdiction where the crimes has been occurred. So wezi so crime, tuseme crime imefanywa place fulani, let's say Kanjo. I don't know where Kanjo is. So there is a village called Kanjo, okay, or a jurisdiction called Kanjo. So na kuna police station hapa. So hiyo crime imefanyika hapa. So but the suspect amekamatiwa wapi? Milimani. So akikamatiwa hapa lazima arudishwe hapa. Okay? It is within the jurisdiction where the crime occurred. So after there now, record kwa book ya OB. So they do what we call decision, I mean charge sheet, what you call. Sasa wanaandika mashtaka, okay? Charge sheet. So hii ni pale polisi wanga wanaandika nini? Makosa ya nani? Ya suspect or the offender. Okay? Now hiyo kazi ya polisi wanga inaishia hapo. So walete that particular crime, wafanye uchunguzi, wakamate suspect, wamwandikishe kwa kitabu ya police station, then wamwandikie mashtaka. Sasa hii sasa ni mashtaka. So from there,
thank you so much, and that marks the end of this session. So let's meet in the next as we continue to learn more and more. So hit the subscription button, comment, share, and like. Thank you so much.